Hello Librans, this is me Khushali and you are watching world's first 4K Zodiac channel, Astroflix.com. No one balances work and home like you do. After all, the scales are your zodiac sign symbol. Sometimes it can get very difficult to manage all the aspects of life at once. Our astrologers have predicted the entire year's event for you, from that important business meeting to day-to-day life, and your children will make you proud. Let's start with your career first. Success is never achieved alone. There are always some people who supported you. In your case, your co-workers will provide a lot of support. Maintain cordial relations with them. Mid-February to April end is a very favorable time to showcase your talents and abilities in challenging situations. Once you face the challenges, your confidence will get a boost. So your work performance will be a lot better than before. If you are a fresher looking for a job, then you will successfully find a new job. The planetary positions are very supportive. You can know more about that by buying our 2017 career report now. They say that your career is your business. You must manage it well like a CEO. On that note, let's take a look at your business predictions. Follow the ongoing market trend. I suggest that you also plan your business side by side. Good planning is the backbone of success. Doing this will increase your turnover. February is the month in which you will learn to work smarter and not harder. The stars are very lucky for your business. All the smart work will start to show the benefits. Your business slowly starts to expand. It is said that you have to push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. This might exactly be your attitude in mid-October. Your business will excel. The big news of the year is that you might launch a new product in the market. Our expert astrologers know its fate. Buy our 2017 business report and know what do the business gurus have to say. You won't be disappointed. Money management plays a larger role in a good business. Let us take a look at your finance predictions. April and May are going to be the most favorable months this year. Venus, the planet associated with riches, is affecting you. Your income will increase. You might sell a property around May end. This will bring in more money, thereby giving your financial status a boost. The last quarter of the year is very auspicious time to buy property. It is also the time your bank balance will increase. We often buy certain things to impress people. The month of September and October are very crucial in this context. Spend your money after the right things. Our renowned astrologers have got a list of all the auspicious months to spend your money in 2017. You can get that by buying the 2017 finance report they have prepared by working hard the entire year. Security not only comes from money but also from relationships. Let's move ahead with your relationships predictions. Venus, the planet of love, is affecting your relationships this year. You will meet a lot of new people this year. You might go on a short trip and come across an old friend. Your relationship will rekindle. Well, true friends are never apart. Maybe in distance but never in heart. The time from March to April is very auspicious for long-term relationships. Make sure your priorities are set. It is advised to keep a check on your anger this year. If you take the right steps, then you won't have to trouble after May. Jupiter, the planet of growth, is on your side. So, your relationships will gradually improve once you take control. This year, Rahu and Ketu are also influencing your relationships. Will it be good for you? Our talented astrologers have predicted the result in our 2017 personal life and relationship report. You can buy it right now. Every good relationship, especially marriage, is based on respect. On that note, let's take a look at your marriage predictions. The stars are in your favor if you are looking forward to settle down this year. Like always, you married folks will fight over petty issues. Instead of getting into arguments, help your partner in their domestic matters. This will help in bringing the magic back. Jupiter, the planet of growth, is affecting your love life this year. It will play a big role in sorting out all the differences and taking the relations to the next level. If you have children, then the time from April to May is very auspicious to improve their health and plan for their progress. If you're planning for a baby this year, then you need to wait for the right time. Our astrologers handle marital issues quite well, and there is no better way than to buy the 2017 marriage report prepared by them. Good education and lifestyle are very essential in selecting a good partner. Let us take a look at your education and health prospects. Push yourselves to study hard this year. It's easy to get distracted, but only those who manage to focus emerge out the winners. Study hard and you will score well in the exams. Staying healthy is a lifestyle. I suggest that you exercise daily as the planets are supportive to all your efforts. The good news is that Jupiter, the planet of growth, is affecting your health this year. You will finally find a cure to an ongoing health issue. Well, this year has lot more in store than this. In fact, this was just a small sneak peek. I wish I could give a detailed analysis of whole year along with all the solution to all your problems just like our astrologers do. But I believe that future depends on your present actions. You can know and change your future by buying our 2017 yearly report along with all these reports right now. They have solution to all the problems you will be facing this year. So, visit www.ganeshaspeaks.com and change your future for better. For more videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel astroflix.com, world's first 4K Zodiac channel.